this video, we will explore the most in-demand tech courses that professionals are currently seeking. Learn advanced algorithms, data processing, and gain practical experience with AI frameworks to excel in the growing field of AI and ML. Acquire skills in Python, R, and SQL, and learn how to work with big data tools like Hadoop and Spark for scalable data processing. Master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular for front-end, and learn server-side scripting with Node.js and databases like MongoDB. Understand network security, encryption methods, penetration testing, and gain practical skills to secure digital assets in today's interconnected world.